Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. This is Titi Toast Family, and I'm going to show you guys how I make this easy beans, black eye beans. Then very delicious. I love it so much. I like this beans so very much, and I'm going to show you guys how I make it. I make this one, my recipe. I make this one with I make it with palm nut. They call it Ghana fresh. This mark is Ghana fresh. You can get it in Africa market. Very good. And this is what I use for my beans. So I open it already. I open it and I cook it here. When I cook it already. And here is how it look like after I cook it. I used the oil for it. So here, then I'm going to add it. I'm adding it inside my beans. I added it inside my beans. I added it to my beans. Add a little bit of water. I added a little bit of chicken cube, and I'm going to put it just a teaspoon, just a little bit here, and I stir it together, and my lovely people, this look really good and tastes good. Now I'm going to, and my beans is already good. Now I have my garlic, my onion. This is my onion. And I put it in my blender, and I'm going to add a little bit of water. Let me show you guys. Here I'm going to add water, just a little bit of water, and I'm going to blend. Blend it. Yes, it is done. So it is done. So now I'm going to add a little bit. I'm adding it to my beans to give the flavor, this delicious flavor, the taste. I just add a little bit, not all. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, like, and click the notification button, and anytime I posted my video and you're going to watch it. So here my beans is done. This is my beans is done. My beans is done because when I want to started cooking it. Sorry, I just washed the beans, put it in my pot, and cook it for about 45 minutes. And after it's done, I cook the fresh Ghana fresh palm nut cream. I cook it and I added it. So I added a little bit of chicken cube, and that's it. So guys, look at how the beans look like, and it tastes very good, very good. I wish somebody would be here to taste it with me and see how it looks. It tastes really good. Try it at home. Just try it and see. You like it. You like it, guys. If you like this video, make sure you give a like. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. So my beans is done. It's ready to eat. Guys, I love this so much. If you try it at home, I believe you're going to like it too. You love it. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel. Voilà ce que je viens de préparer. Préparer haricot. Comment je prépare mon haricot avec palmnut, noix de palme. Donc préparer ça, j'ai trouvé ça là à Africa Market. J'ai acheté ça à Africa Market. Très close. J'aime vraiment ça. Et puis voilà, préparer mon haricot. Je viens de finir de préparer mon haricot. Après avoir fini de bouillir mon haricot, j'ai ajouté mon noix de palme. Voilà ce que comme haricot, c'est très délicieux. Essayez ça à la maison, vous allez aimer ça. Abonnez si vous avez aimé mon vidéo, abonnez et aimez. Merci beaucoup et soyez bénis. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you. Thank you. I love you guys. I love you all. Je vous aime beaucoup. Voilà. Je viens de partager ça avec vous parce que c'est ce que j'aime aussi. I share this one with you guys because this is what I like this. I love it. And I want you guys to try it and see you like it too. So thank you very much. Subscribe to my channel. All right, love you family, wonderful people, lovely people. God bless you all. Have a wonderful night.